dyes and chemical industry plays an important role in today's Indian economic development, where Gujarat is evolved as the main hub contributing 80% to the total national production of dyes and chemical industry. However, Gujarat dye-chem industry is facing many challenges like lack of technical expertise, low financial capacity, low per capita procurement capacity, hence high cost of material procurement, lack in knowledge base for handling legal and environmental issues. And here, to cope up these challenges, EDI, the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, has initiated a project called Business Development Service Dye and Chem Cluster with financial support of SIDBI and other association with DFID, GTZ and KFW.
During this 30 months, we focused on 4 major thrust areas in this project which were critical for the performance improvement of the dyes and chemical industry. The first one was pollution prevention and control. It mainly aimed at providing solutions to the existing MSMEs for the purpose of the primary treatment to enable them to achieve the desired standards of the Pollution Control Authority. The second thematic area pertained to energy conservation through first the systematic energy audit and subsequently providing through the business development service providers implementation assistance to achieve the energy conservation measures. Third thrust area was in the field of environment studies and studies pertaining to cost reduction and improvement in the yield. And the fourth important area was in the field of creating special purpose vehicle of the cluster units by which the small units came together and floated a cluster called EDMAC.
Naroda Industries Association and EDI has a long-lasting partnership, and this current project play a very important role to support the member, like facilitating in licensing, training program for supervisory personnel, awareness of program on various government schemes, energy and environment, and registering professional and MSME in online databases, etc. Implementing this project, many members are only able to increase the production but also able to manage routine managerial and operational issues very effectively.
Under the project, 2 activities had been done at our unit: primary treatment plant upgradation and cleaner production study. Under PTP upgradation, now our unit is achieving the norms of pollution set up by our common effluent treatment plant. Under the cleaner production activity, our unit has now better housekeeping practice and able to reduce the material loss during handling. Also, we have improved the safety measures and able to cut the cost of production.
Are different in our strategy. CP earlier, based on our observation, lot of resistance was coming. To overcome that barrier, we have changed our strategy and we are establishing a link between the management and the workers. Cleaner production is a preventive environmental strategy to reduce pollution at source. We have completed around 10 CP assignments for EDI SIDBI project.
इस प्रोजेक्ट के तहत मैंने अपने यूनिट के अंदर एनर्जी ऑडिट करवाया और उन्होंने कुछ सजेशन मुझे दिए। उस सजेशन को अमल में लाने के लिए मैंने अपने यूनिट के अंदर 11.5 लाख रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, जिसकी वजह से सालाना मुझे 4.5 लाख रुपए की बचत होगी और उस वजह से मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट 30 महीने के अंदर मुझे वापस मिल जाएगा।
In Pranav Industries, we carried out a detailed energy audit and suggested there were 8 to 9 detailed measures, in which it was like a detailed power analysis, capacitor installation, production analysis, ball mill modifications with a blender. This energy efficient motor with the inline helical gear and the modified agitator deliver the 40% energy saving to the client. So by implementing the energy audit, any dies and intermediate industries can increase their efficiency, becoming them more productive and the cost effective for the other people also.
Under SIDBI EDI cluster project, we have created a SPV, special purpose vehicle, called Ahmedabad Die Manufacturer Cluster Limited. Our SPV has got market linkage with Chennai Leather Cluster, Ludhiana Knitwear Cluster and Panipat Floor Covering Cluster. Till date, we have executed 5 orders worth Rs 25 lakhs from these clusters and captured very good market from these regions. Under ADMIC, we are planning common purchase and common marketing. We are also planning common laboratory for testing in near future.
When the diagnosis study report was carried out for the Ahmedabad Dyes and Chemical Cluster, 7 major points were identified. Out of that, 3 were related to strategic activity, basically for environmental compliance, cleaner production technology and buying and selling through SPV. Other 4 points were related to improving the quality, reduction in the energy efficiency cost, as well as the improving the marketability and training of the people. For energy efficiency, there were 18 units which came forward. For cleaner production technology, 15 units came forward, and for primary treatment plant, 5 units came forward. Now this gave with this we could introduce 24 BDS provider in this specific area, and very good network was developed between the BDS provider and the units in the cluster.
Implementing this project, many members are now not only able to increase the production, but also able to manage routine managerial and operation issues very effectively.